honorable judges, respected teacher, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi there, let me introduce myself to you all. My name is Haura Dzakiyah. I am from SDIT Insan Mandiri Dzakiyah, Palembang. Today, I want to tell you a story about creative creature called the crocodile and his sweetest friend, the monkey. Every day, the monkey climbed the jamun tree and eat the jamun fruit. I am the monkey, climb the jamun tree, and this is so delicious. Hi audience, this jamun fruit is so yummy. Come on, let's eat with me. Suddenly, the crocodile came. I'm crocodile, I'm a big, I'm a strong. Look at my jaws. Hey monkey, that fruit is mine. Don't touch it. How dare you? I'm sorry, Mr. Crocodile, but I just want to eat some. Please let me eat it. I will climb it for you. But promise me one thing, you never eat me, will you? Said the monkey. The crocodile agreed. They become a good friend. But one day, the crocodile wanted to give the jamun fruit to his wife. And do you know the crocodile wife's reaction? It's so yummy! It's so sweet! I like it! Please take it all for me. Oh, you like it? My friend monkey will take it for you. But wait, what? The monkey? Does he eat this fruit every day? If yes, I bet his heart must be so delicious. I changed my mind. Bring your friend's heart to me. The crocodile was shocked and said, I'm sorry, my wife, but he is my friend. The crocodile wife got angry to her husband. But finally, the crocodile agreed to bring the monkey to his house. He asked the monkey to have lunch in his house. He carried the monkey on his back. But in the halfway, the crocodile tried to push the monkey down into the water. Wait, crocodile! Wait! Why I'm think I'm drowning? You don't have bad idea for me, do you? Said the monkey. The crocodile thought the truth and telling about his wife. Okay, my friend, I will help you, but I'm leaving my heart there. So now, let's go back to my tree. Let's go back to my tree. Let's go back to my tree. Then I give my heart to you, said the monkey. Without thinking, the crocodile helped the monkey back to his tree. When they reached the monkey tree, the monkey climbed quickly and escaped from crocodile. He shouted to crocodile, I will never come back and never be your friend anymore, said the monkey. Monkey, please forgive me. I know my mistake, cried the crocodile. The crocodile left home with empty-handed. He losing food and losing good friends. Moral of the story, we should think first before doing something. Judges, teachers, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of my story. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoy it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.